Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's news roundup for March the 16th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Lundbeck agreed to acquire Prexton Therapeutics for potentially over €900 million, gaining the experimental Parkinson's disease drug foliglurax. The deal includes an upfront payment of €100 million, with Prexton also eligible for up to €805 million in development and sales milestones. Lundbeck's interim CEO, Anders Gottschee, called the oral drug an exciting first-in-class compound that also appears to be highly interesting for patients, physicians and payers. Foliglurax, which stimulates metabotropic glutamate receptor 4, is currently in phase 2 testing for symptomatic treatment of off-time reduction in Parkinson's disease and dyskinesia. In other news, regulators in the EU and US approved CSL's Hizentra for use as maintenance therapy in patients with chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. The company noted that the product is the first and only subcutaneous immunoglobulin approved for the autoimmune disorder. And finally, GlaxoSmithKline estimates that it will incur costs as high as £70 million over the next 2 to 3 years related to the UK's exit from the EU. The company said that potential trade and regulatory hurdles associated with the transition are forecast to cost £50 million per year thereafter. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.